Hey guys, RURALJDM here. I am here with a Saber 9kVA generator, 7,500 watt output, 16 horsepower. Going to be doing a service and changes the spark plug. It's become really hard to pull, so I'm really hoping that this maintenance might make it a bit easier to pull. We'll get started by draining the oil. Now this part's a bit of a pain in the ass because on these, it's right here, and I've got it above ground, so now I need to pull it as far fucking this way as possible without having it fall. I reckon that'll work. This is all of the fucking old oil I've pulled out of all of my generators since I've moved up here. Now I think this is a 13. No, it's a 12. 12 mil. Alright, and they've got a quarter inch. There we go. Okay. Oh, for fuck's sake, it's still not enough. There we go. Yeah, that's the one thing about these generators that I do not like. Yeah, this is what I don't like about these generators is I have it pulled all the way this way. I don't think I can go any further. And it's still barely reaching the bucket. Pain in the ass. It's good to take off this just to get some extra air in there. Alright, all drained. Let's lift it back up. Still made a mess. That's why I've got copious amounts of rags here for this exact job. Now let's put the sump plug back in. Tighten it back up. There we go. Now, you should have got one of these special funnels with your generator. Just slap in there. Get some small engine SAE 30.
Looks like low tide.
Alright, let's do a check and see how much we have left. Go. That's the whole bottle. Well, that's all good. Now I'm going to check it starts, and if it starts, then we get started on Alright, that sounds a hell of a lot better than what it did. Now, spark plug. I think that's the spark plug in there. Yep, so you just pull that out. Okay, now I just want to check that the spark plugs are the same. They are not. They are not the same. Don't trust the Google AI overview fucking shit, because it just made me buy the wrong spark plug. This is the correct spark plug. You want a F7 RTC. So I'm gonna head back probably tomorrow and get one of those.
Saying I'm fine, don't mean that shit all the time. I say check on the mic, I check too. Look at you, a fucking fool.
Did not have the spark plug for the generator, so I am going to go to Autobarn and Repco and hope that they have it. Alrighty, so we got the generator, fucking spark plug, now we're heading back. We are back, and we are hopefully have the correct fucking spark plug this time. Okay, let's just check that the gaps are the same, just to be safe. I'm just gonna slap this in and see if it works. Slap that back on and hope and pray that it starts. So they didn't actually have this F model in stock because this is a non-NGK one. This is apparently the NGK version of this. So I'm just hoping that it works. Let's see what happens. Moment of truth, eh? Stops faster and it turns on faster, which is pretty good. well, that's been it for today's video. If this was helpful, leave a like. If you enjoyed, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Go dream, let's go dream, let's go. Let's go dream, let's go motherfucking dream, yeah. For a better life, for a better life.